What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going boating. So the adults are maybe going diving, and the kids are going to stay up on the boat, maybe, with fishing pools. So we may go fishing, and we may just go swimming out in the ocean. So we'll see you there. Alright guys, we're by One Tree Island and we're getting ready to dive here and see if we can see any fish down there. So let's go.
Alright, let's go. Fall over backwards. Hold your mask on.
What is that right there? Alright, so I'm in the water. We're in about 6-7 feet of water. And we're catching fish while we're swimming. So I'm going to go see if I can see any mango snapper, trout, ladyfish, catfish, or anything.
All right, go for it. See ya. What's going on here? Tighten the drag up a little bit. Not too much. That's too much. Tighten the drag a little bit, just a little bit. Oh, no he doesn't.
Careful when you drop the rod down, you put in a lot of slack in there so everything's real smooth. Pull up, it's real smooth, because if you drop the rod really fast, you put a lot of slack in it. If it's fairly on, it'll slip out.
He's coming at you. He's coming at you. Reel it. Don't yank. Just reel. Fast. Doing great. Keep going.
Remember that was. Oh, a darby. Oh my gosh.
Don't do that.
Dad's going to catch a carpet.
He's about ready to take off again.
You landing that rob or?
A stingray!
Stinky Ray.
You got a stingray. Hey, bud.
She is heavy. My dad's trying to get the hook out of him. He pulled hard and my arm is tired.
Oh, come on. Let's go. Let's catch some fish. Here we go. Good job.
Put me on a video.
There you go.
Rod wrap up. Reel it. All you do is keep the tension in the rod and reel it. There you go.
What do we got? Okay, that's good. Don't reel it anymore. See what we got. What we got. Lift it up a little bit. Oh, mangrove snapper. Pull him in the boat.
I got it.
Oh.
So that structure's right where you cast.
We're flowing.
Oh my
Here,
God.
bring it over here, man. Straight up.
Scared me so
I promise you,
much.
that's where you stick on sand. So that's wherever you cast is where it's stuff.
Is that a micro? He's a little fighter. A grunt.
Another grunt.
A baby. Oh, I heard him grunt.
Beep. Just a little bit so it doesn't get snagged on the bobber. Right there. Leave it. Okay, so we got a triple tail on this buoy right here, and we're trying to get him to eat a Z-Man shrimp. And let's see how that, just leave it right there, Drew. Okay, reel it in, then throw it back out there. Throw it past it and reel it to it. Okay, good. Nope, this side of it. Right there, leave it. He's got it. He's got it. Come on, get it. Get that pole up. There you go. Pull up. Pull up.
Keep going back. He was going at it. Is he a keeper?
Yep, put him right there.
I
Where's your little bogus grip, buddy? All right, let's see this. Your first ever triple tail. Wow, that's awesome, dude.
Big too. He is 2 pounds.
All right, let's get a photo. No, don't let it go yet. Just hold him in the water. Okay, just hold him in the water. All right, let's let that beauty go.
Finished boated and we went offshore, but it was too choppy, so we had to come inside. And my dad, he went diving out offshore a little bit, and he said he shot 2 mangrove snapper, but they got away. So then we came inshore because it was too choppy, so we went swimming for a little bit, and then we went fishing, and we caught a couple grunts. I caught a stingray. We caught a mangrove snapper and a ladyfish. So then after that we went fishing on a buoy for a triple tail, and I caught my first ever triple tail. So then after that we went tubing, and then we went to an island. I don't know what the island is called. And we went swimming and looking for shrimp. So then after that, we just came in. Alright guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And comment down below if you've ever caught a triple tail to let me know. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.